and welcome back to another video. Yes, it's the video that you've all been waiting for on my channel. I'm not sure if this is going to come out when I'm making it, but pretty much I'm starting on my Christmas village. I'm kind of going out of my journal, which I worked so hard on, by the way, guys, like, to make a plan for this, and I'm just not even going to follow the plan. Yep, that sounds about right. We're just going rogue here. I plan on doing this kind of, like, look all the way down here. If you guys want to follow, I recommend speeding it down a little bit, because I know what I'm doing, and if you're trying to copy exactly what I'm doing, then you probably are going to have no idea. Okay, I need enough room here for a tiny house, like a tiny little house thing. Oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I know this is where my orange tree farm is going to be, over here, so we're just going to work over here now. I think that this is all. I worked on this. I did not finish building it because I couldn't do the inside because I don't have any of the Christmas decorations, but this is how it looks. Basically, yeah, I'm not going to do as much outdoor decor as the video did because I'm trying to limit myself on the amount of money I use. Oh wait, I've got to keep in mind that these have got to be wide enough for houses to go here, so I think I'm going to pop this out by 2, and then we'll just push and bump down a little. But I also have to keep in mind that these have to fit shops here, so here we go. Yes, perfecto. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. I don't like it, not one bit. Nope. Okay, well, I guess this is what we're sticking with because I already built it all. Now I'm going up and I'm just going to build grass. Yes, I'm so plain and simple. This grass is not going to waste my time. Wait, I should probably build the houses before I build grass. Because, so we're just going to build the grass over here. Whoa, that's a little expensive. Where did I even place that? Probably in there. Did it come out? Did it come out? Did it come out? Did it come out? There's no flooring in here, right? Oh, there is. Oh, wait. Okay. Okay, that's okay. Why is... Okay, that was still the total. I was kind of confused. Like, I didn't know if I had placed it or not. I don't want it to look funky, but it already does look funky. So, I suppose we're going to stop with that there, and then we're just going to put... Wait, where's the grass texture? I'm pretty sure it's at the top. That's carpet. Here's grass. For the grass, we're going to do probably like white. That looks pretty normal. I think this is actually the regular grass color. This looks better. I don't want to do that because that's just really bright. This is good, but it needs to be darker. I suppose we'll go with like a lily white here. No, it's probably the color they use anyways. And now, we're simply going to add some fencing. I don't know, I want to I want to pick a nice fence option. Duh. I can't talk today, guys. Nah, I'm kind of liking it. Okay, that was a lie. I'm not really liking it. I think that I'll add like a gate thing. And then some snowmen maybe. Later. Remember, this series is probably going to last a little while. I don't know, guys. Does this look like the right one? Why isn't it letting me place it? Oh. That would be why. I don't know. I kind of like this opening here. Okay, now we're going to go over here and we're going to grab our orange trees and just plop them over there. I want to make this look kind of nice, but then again, whatever. I'm probably going to mess this up so much. Okay, you know what I'm going to do instead? I'm going to take a picture. Okay. So we can get these back looking the right way. I'm looking at the picture now, because I really don't want to mess this up. And then 3 minutes later, I'm going to be messing it up, so whatever. Okay, let's see where I did this wrong at. Actually, I'm pretty sure I've done it right so far. Just a little confuzzled. Okay, there. Goes here. Oh, okay. So there's out. Okay, so apparently I forgot to color this all like rocks. I still don't know what texture most people use for that. So I'm kind of looking for one. If you guys know, please tell me. I mean, this one looks good. This one, oh, that one actually looks like one people would use. Yeah, I think it's this one. And I think we're gonna do like a quill gray because we don't want to do white. We might do mid gray. I don't think gray. Okay. So yeah, I think that we're gonna do like a midstone gray, maybe like a quill gray. Yeah, quill gray looks more Christmassy, and I'm pretty sure this is the texture most people use. I'm not really sure, but I guess that's what we're going with. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I got it. We're not going to color the inside because that's just weird. I think that we might actually do one of the shops up here. So yeah, we probably should get to moving this. Oh wow, my flowers look very horrible. Specifically those two. That's it. Okay, these two. I think I'm just going to replant them. This is how this house looks. Oh my gosh, the neighboring house looks really good. They have Christmas stuff too. And they're smart. Unlike me. Okay. So basically, I still have to do the entire other side, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'm just gonna move all of these bushes that I decided to place over here because, yeah, we gotta change all these things to winter theme stuff. And we gotta rebuild the flower shop, basically. and the roof to build the bakery. So in this video, I did this side of the walls. I moved my orange tree farm, and I'm moving the stuff out of my flower shop. And I think the hanging plants I'm just going to hang over there for now because I'm keeping that up. I just want to remove the flower shop. I also want to keep these because I know that I'm going to be reusing them. So yeah, I'm just going to plop these over there. Whoa. And I want to keep all the posters. I don't know where to put these. I think I'm going to put these all on the back of here. And I'm not really sure how I'm going to fit them. I could just put them on the roof. I don't know how many I have. How am I going to make enough room for these? Okay. Move some of the windows. Girl, it's shut. How are you? Why are you? Okay. Oh boy, I actually didn't see the gender. That was rude of me. I'm sorry. We're gonna place this final light here. Then we're gonna, oh wait, there's another light. No, we're gonna probably just take these. Oh wait. Yeah, I'm too cheap in this build, like, to replace everything. The build already costs over 50k. So basically anything I can keep is staying. I just realized I could put these floating in midair. It doesn't make sense, but I can do it. I'm just gonna move these out of here really quickly. And it's time for the demolition. It's not, is that the right word? Is that a word? We forgot some windows. How beautiful is it looking? Can't forget about this guy. We'll just put him back there. We don't want to lose this. Or this. I guess I could like make shops under here. That'd be cool. Or would it? I don't know. This looks interesting. Right now. So. Yeah. Just gonna move all these flower things over here. So I'll get plenty of sun. Plenty. We're just gonna rotate these cabinet things. We're gonna put one there. It's now a nightstand. And this one is just gonna be over here. I can now make a garden salad. It's very bright. I think I'm gonna turn like two of this off. And yeah. We're probably gonna get, I don't know, we're probably gonna get like white, we're probably gonna get like, for around the town, the light up bushes. But for now, we're gonna stick with these bushes, and I think that we're going to keep that. Yeah. Okay, my flower shop is now demolished. And we are ready to move it. Right after I water these. Yes, my home is looking excellent. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you want to see more like this. And if you want to see the rest of my Christmas village creating videos.